Are you ready to transform your mornings and supercharge your productivity? Here's a simple yet powerful routine to kickstart your day and maximize your potential. Step 1. Get up at the same time each day. Consistency is key to regulating your body's internal clock and starting your day right. Step 2. Make your bed. This small accomplishment sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Step 3. Refresh yourself by washing your face and brushing your teeth. This helps you feel awake and ready to take on the day. Step 4. Drink a glass of warm water. You can have it plain, with a squeeze of lemon or with a splash of apple cider vinegar to kickstart your metabolism. Step 5. Stretch and get at least 30 minutes of exercise. Whether it's cycling, using a treadmill, a stairmaster or a rowing machine, getting your body moving boosts your energy and focus. Step 6. Make a nutritious smoothie for breakfast. Blend fruits, vegetables and seeds like sunflower seeds to fuel your body with essential vitamins and nutrients. Step 7. Enjoy a cup of coffee or tea. This can give you that extra boost to stay alert and focused. Step 8. Prepare a to-do list and follow it. Prioritizing your tasks helps you stay organized and ensures you accomplish what's most important. With this routine, your day is off to a great start. Remember, consistency and positive habits are the foundation of productivity. Now, go out there and conquer your day. Text on screen. Start strong. Stay productive. Be your best self.